Alright, Roger, Mudfossil University. Today going to show you some blood inside the actual blood vessels of veins. Now, if you can see that stone right there, this is some kind of fascia fabric. It's fractured here and the fascia is gone, and that's the tissue inside. Alright? You see that? That's the tissue inside. Now that's the fascia. Now, what happens is this fabric wraps around bones and organs and all that, and then it actually seams itself together. And where it does, there's little dots. You see those little tiny dots? You see that little black dot there? I hope you can see these things. There's like 3 of them on this one that I can see quite easily. Here, let me bring this up a little closer. Maybe that'll be better. Hold on. There we go. That's a little better. Ah, that's it right there. You see those little black dots? You see that little thing in the center of it? Little slit, looks like almost like an eyeball. That one has the same thing. See it? There's another one on here somewhere that has the same thing. But you also see the fabric. That is actually some form of a fascia coating, pleura, whatever you want to call it. There's one, there's the other one, there's another, there's the third one right there, see? Same little cut on there. Well, what is that all about? They look like tiny little blueberries or something. Well, let's see what it looks like in the microscope. But that is the way fascia or pleura or, you know, heavy, they used to call it tunica. I have a bone here somewhere. Hold on, I'll find it. That is, that has that tunica. Here it is. It's very easily seen. Now, that's a bone. I don't think anybody's going to argue with that. That is a bone head. And that was where the cartilage is. That is the ligament attachment. And that ball, there's a ball that fits into that hole, and it has all these little nubbins sticking out of it. And that goes into another bone to attach it here. Now, you can see this fabric. You see this fabric? Now, where it meets, you see at the seam? It's like a little crescent roll. It comes wrapping around, and it seams right together on that triangle. Alright? And bones dissolve. The only bit that, I don't even know if you can see what's left of that bone, but that's it right there. That's the only bitty tiny piece left is right there. So that's it about mudfossils, this stuff here. Now those little veins are small. This is only 2.5 millimeters, this distance here. Approximately that. Now, so they're kind of small, but you can see it's obviously what it is. That is the black blood. Now, you see all these little black spots in there? That is blood. That's literally congealed blood in these little spots. And the rest is the tissue, and it's some kind of a fascia that is coating this particular stone. And we'll look at it a little closer. That is the little cut looking thing, and those are blood cells. Those are literally the blood cells that are in what could be the valve. There's vein valves that only allow the blood to go back to the heart and lungs to be regenerated. Those are not in arteries. Arteries are wide open. Just goes right straight down through. Now the valves, though, the veins have the valves every here and there, and that could very well be one of the valves. I don't know, but I'm telling you what that is. That is the blood cells.